Okay, so yesterday I learned about how to do the suitability analysis. This one, using a Boolean method, and then we need to do the map algebra again, related to summation, multiplications, summations of more than 2 layers, like that, and raster calculator to find a value, as well as at the end to decide the true or false value by using the Boolean operation. And this is the same, true or false value, and we use that to find where would archaic people likes to camp in the Adirondack Mountains. So there are several values that we need to find and to match to get the exact locations where archaic peoples like to camp in. Like, for example, they like to camp that can see 3 peaks or more peaks with a height above 4,000 feet high, and then with a camping spot that has less than 50% slope, and also facing south and southeast and southwest, because the place should be warm and sunny. So after doing the steps using a slope aspect and view shed, and also some tools like reclassify, focal statistic, and raster calculator. Okay, so forget about the dog because we want to find the rumpled. It's still dealing with the rumpled, so this is the steps actually. And okay, so this is the conditions. And so after we use those 3 slope aspect and view shade, and then we do reclassify also to 3 of them, and focal statistic to the slope, and then we get this map. And then those red spots is actually the locations where the archaic peoples like to camp in the Adirondack Mountains. This is the Adirondack Mountains, and this is the spot for the archaic peoples like to camp. This is the their camping sites like that. So we can use the ArcMap actually to analyze, to know the positions of certain camping sites or other kind of things. It's a bit difficult, yeah, especially related using the algebra maps and the logics and statistic. But if we make it a flow diagram like that, it will help us to just to know what steps we are at now, and then just to check it. This just makes everything easier before we use the raster calculator at the end to check all these 3 layers and then find the correct values that match all the values that we want to get from these 3 steps, and then it's resulted into this one.